Hey whales, good morning. Happy Monday. It's March 24th. Let's go over and break down Nvidia for today's trading session. I always think it's important to make sure we have a pulse check on what Nvidia is doing because of how important it is across the entire stock market and the S&P 500. All right, so with that said, with Nvidia, guys, there is a possibility for two paths right now. The first one is we'll call this a bottom for now, right? So we have a wave 3 in red, 4 in red, coming up for a wave 5. To finish off all this macro cycle for wave 1, and then 2 coming down for blue before we do another macro cycle towards the upside, right? Now, of course, there's definitely a possibility where we actually put in a double correction, right? And you got to make sure you're aware of this, where we come up, but then fail and then come down, okay? So you got to make sure you're aware that there is a possibility we make a double correction closer down to 74 to 80, okay? And let me label this blue, right? So this is definitely a possibility as well, okay? And you can take a look at the bear zone. If I take some inverse fibs, anywhere around, let's say, 135, guys, okay, to 280, 128. This is the bear zone. You guys can see that there's going to be a lot of people taking profits here from these lows. There's going to be a lot of bears shorting Nvidia for a chance to have this double correction come down, okay? So you just got to be aware of that and just be mindful of sort of the resistances that are coming up, okay? So the bears are going to short this. They're going to probably have a stop loss above maybe the recent highs here, okay, at 144 or even like 150, okay, for this trade setup. So just be aware of that. Now, if we're calling this a bottom for now for Nvidia, let's go down to the 30-minute time frame. You can see again, we have the bottom here, wave 4. Okay, we put in this 3, 4, 5 for ending C, and now we have a potential 1 in blue coming down for a blue 2. All right, before we make more upside here. Now, I do believe that this also could have been a 2 here, right? A shallow 1, 2, 3, right? ABC correction. So this could have easily been the second wave, and now we're pushing higher, right? Pushing higher here, okay? Now, where do we want to land for Nvidia? Well, if you just take the swing lows to the swing highs, down to the swing lows to get those extensions, you're looking at 132 up to 139, okay? This is the main target that Nvidia is trying to go for, right? If these are the lows, okay? These are the lows, Nvidia is trying to go for this level, all right? And that's pretty in line with sort of that bear zone, guys, right? 120, 128 to 136. This will all align with 132 to 140. So yeah, we have that invalidation level here down at 104. Okay, so if this breaks, if the price breaks below this invalidation level, then we know that we're in sort of that double correction. All right, coming down to 90.74. But until then, we won't worry about that, right? Let's see how high this relief rally can go on Nvidia, and keep you guys updated every single day. See ya.